Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna teach you some differences between the American and the British accent. So let's get started. Number one, the difference in the pronunciation of the R sound. In the American accent, they actually articulate the clear R sound like father. They say it very clearly, like father, brother, and daughter, sister. To talk about the British accent, they just say father, brother, sister. Okay? So they turn the R sound into schwa. They sound like father, sister, brother. Okay, this is the first difference in the R sound. But you have to know that the American accent depends mainly in the pronunciation of the R sound. اللهجة الأمريكية تعتمد اعتمادا مطلقا على نطق ال R sound, okay? So they pronounce it very clearly, okay? And when you pronounce the R sound, you have to pronounce it with the ruling of your tongue. And the نطق صوت R, you have to roll your tongue لفة اللسان عمل لفة اللسان like father not father it's father like this sound. Okay, to talk about some words, Americans say car and British people say car, my car. Americans say star and British people say star. Okay, so actually the English people do not pronounce the R sound in some words, okay? Not in all words, but in some words. And through practice, you're gonna know more, okay? So I said more, and American people say it like more, okay? More. British people say it like more. Americans say far, and British accent they say far. It means بعيد, far, okay? They turn it like far, بعيد, okay? And through practice you will listen the mainly difference between the American and the British accent. There is a big difference in the English language between the American and British accent, not only in the pronunciation, but in the some words. In the British accent, they say football. It means كرة القدم. But in the American accent, they call it like soccer. Soccer, it means كرة القدم الأمريكية, okay? And okay, you have to listen to many videos between the American and the British accent, and it's gonna be great if you compare, okay, or compare, if you compare between the two accents.